First select any shape like this, okay? Then click here and apply gradient, not color. Like this is gradient, this is gradient, this is gradient, this gradient, okay? Like you can see this one, okay? Then click this one, gradient tool. After apply from here, then click gradient tool. Then click window and click gradient, okay? This panel, and also open window color. You got my point?
Yes.
From window open color and gradient, okay? Now you can see this color from here. Gradient tool, when you select gradient tool, what you can do, like you can increase the ratio of the colors. Like see this one, see when I'm increasing from here, you can see it's also affecting here. See, okay? And if you want to change the colors, like this color you want to change, so click here and then click here, like see it is green now. And if you want to change this color, you can click and click. See, you want to change this color, see, same if you want to change this, see. Then type is linear, you can change to radial. And from gradient tool, if you select gradient tool, you can also increase from here. See, you can also see from here also you can do, okay? Opacity you can change, okay, for this color. Like for this one, opacity if you change, see it will affect here, okay? Opacity you can change, and location you can also increase from here, okay? And this one, see, also you can change angle.